Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Tractor Supply. Don't forget to help with this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way you got a lock splitter here. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers like, so help with the channel by doing so. Alright, you got the Coleman Gold Card here, 6.5 horsepower, $17.99. You got some Greenworks, so they do carry a full line of Greenworks, 60 volts, $5.99 for the self-propelled, $4.49 for the push mower. These are 60 volt pro level, or that's what it says, Greenworks Pro. They do have an extended warranty you guys could buy. They do have a chainsaw and a blower here. It's a 600 CFM, looks like a jet blower, and $3.99 for the 18-inch chainsaw. That's the blower right there. 45 minutes of runtime. You got a rapid charger here, $69.99, 60 volts. You got a Husqvarna. It's a really nice saw. Definitely check it out if you have a big property. If you have, you do this for a living. Landscaping, $4.29. Then you got a pull-in. This is more for the DIY. A pull-in Pro, 50cc, 20-inch. This is a little bit cheaper for the DIY. I would say Husqvarna's for the professional, or if you want something nicer, that's going to last you longer. $2.99 for the 21-inch push mower, and then you got the 3-in-1 for $2.69 with the bag, and then you got this Troy Bill. This is a really nice mower, $379.99. And guys, remember, guys, if you guys want a gas product, make sure you guys pick it up within this year, or because if you're in California, they're going to start. It's going to be hard for them to sell. They're going to start banning those electric or gas equipment, basically. Gas everything they're going to start banning. So they're just going to start selling the, the electric stuff. So guys, and they do have a full line of DeWalt and Bosch. So $99 for this impact driver kit. 2 amp hour battery. Pretty nice little kit. Does include two 2 amp hour batteries. Got a Dremel 4300, $124.99. Got smaller projects going on. This is the tool for you. Then you got some spade bit set. This is $15.99. Then you got a black oxide, $24.99. 21 pieces. It was pretty nice. And they do carry the Porter cable. So this is a 4-piece tool combo kit for $199. You got an impact wrench kit for $159. I believe this is this hog ring brushed. It's not brushless. You got an oscillating tool, $69. You got a reciprocating saw, $79.99. They do carry a full line of DeWalt, as you guys do see. So if you guys got a Tractor Supply, you guys don't have any other stores, $18.49, 6-piece bimetal reciprocating saw set, $18.49 from DeWalt. You got some wood, you got some metal, looks like it. You got the Mibro carbide. I never seen this brand before. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys use any of the Mimbro or Mibro tools or accessories. $17.99 for this one. This one's a DeWalt 5-piece nut drivers set. Got on clearance here. This is a DeWalt Impact 15-piece maglock holder, $529. You got this one on sale from $129 to $119. This is a jigsaw, top handle jigsaw. You got a jigsaw blade set here. It's a pretty nice set. $13.99 for the T-shank jigsaw blade set. You got the reciprocating saw, $129. So if you guys don't want to hack it, you can get this tool for $99. So it's a pretty good deal if you just don't want to mess with all that, returning and all that stuff. So just come to Tractor Supply and just pick it up without hacking it at the other stores. So it's pretty nice. It does have the turnstile blade change there. It's pretty nice. Makita are $249 for the X-Lock 4.5 by 0.5 inch. Got the X-Lock 4.5 grinding wheels. Then you got the X-Lock itself, the legendary X-Lock, down to $139. Again, if you just want to pick up the tool and don't bother with the returning other tools and stuff like that, just getting a nice deal on it. $349 for this Porter cable, 24-gallon compressor. So, and then they got this belt driven from DeWalt. It's a really nice compressor, $6.99. So that's it right there. That's the box. It says 1.6 RHP, so maybe horsepower. You got this accessories here. Is a 14-piece kit. Collar connects. $29.99. Got reduced priced. So from $1,000 it's down to $6.99. Date 9/22. So yeah, this is a Cornwell belt-driven compressor. So that's pretty nice. You got a torch here, a torch kit or outfit, torch outfit, $419.99. I just thought I pointed this out because you got a Simpson pressure washer here with the Honda engine, $449.99. Simpson 3,300 PSI, and then you can buy the extended warranty there. You got a Pro Steel toolbox. This is a really nice toolbox. It's not a luxury toolbox. It does have a nice wood top at the top. It's not self-closing, but it's softer closing. It's not. It seems like it does have some rubber, stops there. $5.99, 52-inch 7-drawer. You got $46.99 for the job site socket with a 44-piece. Got a nice case there. Looks like you got a 3/8 half-inch drive, and then you got a 3 ratchets, sockets there for $119. 124-piece Job Smart Mechanics tool set. So pretty nice deal there. And then you got the winch, not the winch, the vise. So from Olympia, $159. The 7-inch vise. You got a 6-inch vise there for $124. So that's pretty nice. I never used these brands before, by the way. You got the DeWalt. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys use any of these brands. How will you like them? If you do like them, you don't like them. A 23-piece or $23.99 for the DeWalt goggles. And then you got these knee pads. These are really nice. I believe these are the nicer ones to use when you're doing, when you're pretty much all day on your knees. You always want to protect yourself. You use the best ones that you can afford, because you only have 2 knees, by the way. Alright, you got a compressor, a 60-gallon, $849. It is a belt driven. So these are the quieter compressors. These are the best ones to buy if you're going to buy something for the shop. You got $10.99.99 for this Ingersoll brand. $34.99 for the Johnson 85 feet laser distance measure. It does come with 2 batteries there, so all set to start working. You got a magnetic level. These are pocket levels. These are great for plumbing. If you guys use small plumbing areas or whatever you're going to be using, those are really good to use on that, like under the sink and stuff like that. You got 4.5 edge rafter square, $11.49 from Johnson, made in the USA. They do have a full line of slime here. So this one's a 2-in-1 128 ounce, $29.99. Then you got another one there for $25.99. It's a 1 gallon slime tire sealant. Those are great for your, if you guys got dollies and smaller tires. Obviously not for on the road, because it does create a mess on the inside. Anything that's replaceable, if you guys got golf carts and all that, go-karts. You got the Bulldog line, $79.99. These are really nice, by the way. Just a little pricey, but if you want something that's nicer on your truck, if you do have an expensive truck, a nice brand new truck, then you have to put it nice. And I was thinking of getting something like this, but because right now I have just a regular box, you know, in the bed box. I was thinking of getting something like this, save a little bit more space on the bed for the work truck. But yeah, I'm gonna miss, you know, the space, because you can't really reach to your bed on the side with this. So I don't know. I'm just debating not to get either to get that or just to, you know, keep the other standard box that I have. They got that compressor and an inflator there. Then they got this angle grinder. It's on clearance, $59.99. It looks like the older style DeWalt. So yeah, it's the clearance section that they had. Then they have this. This is like a handheld SD card viewer, $17.99. And then they got the cellular camera. I have never used one of these before, $84.99 on clearance. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.